Hello, fellow fishermen. This is an aerial view looking down on the Hood Canal. The pointer is directed at a little town of Hoodsport, where State Fish Hatchery is located. Remember the good old days when there were just thousands and thousands and our waters teemed with salmon? Now this is a closer view of the hatchery itself. Notice the pointer is inside an area that is closed to all fishing activities. There are two yellow buoys here that outline the restricted area, but you will observe that there are some sports fishermen outside of this area, obeying the law, that are trying their luck. And meanwhile, inside the hatchery, in this closed area, is an activity that I'm sure is going to really upset you. I'm Ed Story, retired naval officer that's lived in this state for 30 years, and I've had the opportunity to fish most of its waters. I took this video the 17th of November 1998. The video shows Native American Indians netting, gaffing, herding, and kicking the fish into this enclosed area. They keep only the females, which they strip of the eggs, and one member bragged to me that they sell the eggs to the Japanese market for $5 a pound. You will observe one of the members going up the stream and driving the salmon back into the net. This scene angers me very much, and I hope it angers you to the extent that you will call me and request a copy of this video, area code 360-427-5930. We need your help. The fisheries need your help. Thank you. God bless.